Jai Hind, my dear students. So, students, today we will start a new chapter of literature reader, and the name of the chapter is The Signal Man, written by Charles Dickens. So, before starting the chapter, students, first let's discuss about the author. Okay, so as you all know, the story The Signal Man is written by a very famous author, Charles Dickens. So, you all are familiar with Charles Dickens because he has written many novels, many stories. Okay, so let's start with let's learn something about the life of Charles Dickens. So Charles Dickens, he was born in 1812 and he died in 1870, and he is considered to be the greatest novelist of the Victorian era. So he was one of the greatest novelist of Victorian era के ये बहुत ही he is very famous novelist, you can say. Remains one of the best known and most popular of English author. So he is the most popular author among English author. So he is a well known and most popular author. His work have never gone out of print. That means he always, whatever he has written, his work is always recognized. At least 200 films and TV adaptations have been made based on Dickens' work. So, whatever work Dickens has done, so his work, many TV serials or films, they all are made based on the work of Charles Dickens, or you can say ki the ideas were taken from the Dickens stories or novel, such as some of the famous novels, if you will say, so like Great Expectation, Oliver Twist, A Tale of Two Cities, and Christmas Carol. So these are some of the famous work, or say famous novels written by Charles Dickens. Characters such as Ebenezer Scrooge, Tiny Tim, Jacob Marley, Bob Cratchit, Oliver Twist, The Artful Dodger, Fagin, Bill Sikes, Pip, Miss Havisham, Sidney Carton, Charles Darnay, David Copperfield, Mac Micawber, Abel Mackwitch, Daniel Quilp, Samuel Pickwick, Wakefield Square, and Uriah Heep. So these are the some of the famous characters which Charles Dickens has included in his novel or in his stories, and these characters have got very much fame. Okay, these are very common characters which are known by almost everyone who has this reading, you can say, passion. जिनको भी reading पसंद है, they all are familiar with these characters. Okay, so Dickens' literary success began with the 1836 serial publication of the Pickwick paper. So his success started in 1836 when he has published a serial named the Pickwick paper. Many of Dickens' novels were written and published in popular newspaper in weekly or monthly parts, much like TV serials of today. So always the one who make the TV serials or the movies, they have taken ideas from the Dickens work, and they have incorporated in their serials, in their TV. So you can say ki their serials TV are based on the Charles Dickens work. Okay, Charles Dickens writings. So this is all about the author Charles Dickens. So and he has written this story also, The Signal Man, which is a very, you can say, it's a very a good story, and you will love reading it. You will love when you will come to know the story. So and this story is based on premonition. Premonition जो है that उसका मतलब होता है in हिंदी it is known as पूर्वाभास. मीन्स हमें किसी चीज़ का पहले से आभास होना. ओके, इट हैपन्स समटाइम्स कि हम सोचते हैं कि कुछ होने वाला है, एंड इट हैपन्स. ओके, many a times it happens, or sometimes it happens. So उसी को बोलते हैं premonition. So this story is based on that idea only, a very interesting story that we'll be covering in the next lecture. So this is all, student, about the author of the Signal Man. Thank you, everybody.